Hey, I know your pain. I was feeling the same way not long ago. I'm here to help you. In the following minutes, I'll show you how I was able to transform my life. Watch this closely and thank me after that.
Many people are not aware of how powerful visualizing can be in their lives. In fact, many of us are doing plenty of visualizations every day. The problem is that most of us are using visualizations to create the life we do not want. We often use visualization to imagine the worst outcome of things for the future. If you can remember the time when you worried so much about something, then it actually happened. This is a good example of using visualization to create the life you do not want. Visualization is used by a whole array of people who know how to use it to bring positive outcomes in their lives. Many athletes, including Olympians, use it to excel in their sports. Research has also found that people who visualize themselves performing a task improve their performance in that task without physically doing anything. Our subconscious mind is processing things at an astronomical rate, so how can we harness this power and use it to our advantage? The subconscious mind thinks in images and feelings. This could mean that if you set a goal of earning a certain amount of money or finding your soulmate, you are much more likely to obtain these future goals if you try focusing on the images and feelings associated with them. It is important to visualize your goals with images that trigger you in the most physical way possible. You can tell when you have found a great image, because you will feel the sensation of that excitement in your body. Download our report below to shortcut and accelerate how to visualize what you want in your life.
The only difference between the winners and the losers in life is one simple thing: the willingness to take massive action. You have that opportunity here today.